Good afternoon, everybody. We're here in a village not too far from Miranda de Corvo in the district of Coimbra, central Portugal. I'm going to show you now a 4-bedroom detached farmhouse that's been renovated but still has a lot of its original features and charm. I'm now on the land. This is actually a terrace at the back of the property. And let me pan round here. The limit is the trees you can see on the right, fruit trees that are from the looks of them. And let me come round, look at those views, fantastic. The town in the distance behind that tree is Miranda de Corvo, and I think to the left, right over on top of the mountains, that's the start of Coimbra. Okay, the property has been renovated, as I say. It's had, I think most of the roof has been renewed, as you can see. And let's go in. So down we go. This looks like orange coming here. Another orange tree. That could be clementine. And we'll go to the side of the property. So the limit is just here. You can see the cactus with the tiles at the side of it. That's the limit. Okay, here's the gable end of the property. There's the natural stone that's been kept. Those views again. Let's look back on some of the land. There is more land at the other side, near the big trees that you can see in the middle of the shot now. So down we go these steps into a little passageway. Here we have a sink outside. There is a septic tank which could flow, I think, which is sited at the front of the property. So down we go into a storage area. Lots of cleaning material here. Doors are in PVC. Oh, sorry, no, they're in aluminium. And the windows are double glazed as well in aluminium. So this leads to quite a large kitchen with a wonderful stove here. Look at that. Really going back in time, that one. Fantastic. So let me pan round. Okay, here is the kitchen. Cooker, sink, microwave, hot water heater in the corner. And the property is being sold with all the furniture. Okay, so all these walls have been renewed. When I say renewed, plastered inside, and I'm stood on a concrete floor. Okay, these are the windows, and that's the terrace that we'll be seeing very soon. There is a little courtyard underneath here that you can see. Okay, so from the kitchen diner, let's turn left, and we'll go down into the top of the courtyard and a little balcony here. Let me go to the end of this. Very little traffic, by the way, hardly anything at all passes here. Okay, tarmac road, so it's good access, and the land is more or less to the large trees that you can see. There's quite a wide wall, but it's about 10-15 meters past that wall. Okay, so down the corridor or the balcony, turn left into a large lounge that has been preserved. As you can see, it's really original. In fact, the floorboards are original. The doors, again, of this period, maybe 1910, double doors with a fan light above. And this one is leading on to, I think, the smallest of the bedrooms. Okay, back in the lounge, we have a fireplace for burning logs in the winter. And to the side of it, another bedroom. This has just about fits a double in situ, as you can see. Okay, so I'll come out and pan round here, show you where we've just come from. Right, the door, by the way, let me just poke my head through here. This is a little ante-room that leads on to the kitchen that you can see that we've just been in. Kitchen diner here. Okay, so back in the lounge. Now then, at the back of the lounge, we have a good sized bathroom with that natural stone, beautiful natural stone on the walls. We have a wooden roof in pine, as we have a wall in pine also, and the floorboards are also in pine. Well, half of them. Half of the floor is, and then the rest is in ceramic floor tile. Here we have the bath. There's a new window. Windows have shutters as well, by the way. Turn right. There's the basin, WC, and the washing machine is sited here, as it is in most Portuguese homes. Okay, so I'll just stop here and pan round for you. And then what we'll do, we'll go out of the lounge onto the balcony, and then we'll go down into the courtyard. So down we go. Let me show you this. Okay, so through a new aluminium door on the ground floor now. This is ceramic floor tiles. The original, well, they're original joists by the looks of them. They've been treated, by the way, I've been told by the owner, for woodwork. Okay, lovely beam. Look at that, really old. Well, this is going back in time. Gorgeous. Nice bit of brickwork as a feature on one of the walls. And let's go from here into a corridor and turn right, and here is the other bathroom. Okay, in stone, ceramic floor tiles, wall tiles on most of the walls, apart from the one at the back of the cubicle shower here. Here we have a wash hand basin. There's your WC, and that beautiful beam again that you can see here. Okay, so we'll carry on down this little corridor and we'll turn left. And here, double bedroom with a window overlooking the courtyard. Go down here. You see it? That lovely exposed stone and that brick feature that we saw on the other side also appears here as well. Okay, So this is the third of the bedrooms, and now I'm going to turn left and into an L-shaped fourth bedroom. Okay, ceramic floor, that gorgeous exposed stone, original floor joists and beams, and a wooden door. Okay, so that's 4 bedrooms. Possibility of probably a 5th as well. What you could do here is create maybe a partition from the left hand side of the door coming this way with a door, and create yet another bedroom. So into the courtyard, little storage area to the left, and let's go outside through the double doors. As I say, very little traffic, if any at all here, maybe 2 or 3 cars a day. And we'll go down the lane a little and I'll show you where the land finishes. So, land finishes just here. And that's where we started off, just at the side of the palm. And there's the house and the country lane. Okay, I'll show you the house from the outside. Oh, before that, maybe those views again. Stunning, absolutely stunning. So here is the house. And I'm going to go to the gable end, and we have a font. So, drinking water. Just above there is a terrace, but that belongs to the house, and here is the font with a customer just to the left, Mr. Frog, enjoying the snooze. Okay. So, there you have it. A rustic, a renovated 4-bedroom property that's ready to move into. It's furnished and it's ready to go. So, as I say on all my videos, you can call us on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the address you'll find at the end of the video. Thank you.